This is an empty desk. It's flat and clean from the first sight. But once you actually do something on it, well, and then you will start using this, or this, or this. It's not a surface. It's a battlefield. You can pack them up for once, but not for all. Cleaning just brings bigger mess, but organizing doesn't. And this is your next-gen organization. The COZE mat. Well, not just any mat. It's your work, your own coffee break, maybe a bit of Zen time here. It's a mat, a stand, a power station, and an organizer packed into one slim body. Number one, always judge a mat by its face. It's big enough as a mat for both your left and right hand, with a pad that gently supports your wrists, and vegan leather as a base for larger contact. It's a VIP soft upgrade for hard desk. Number two, with better mat comes better health. Your laptop, your tablet, your book, your phone, your memo. They prepared themselves for the job before you start typing, writing, reading, or anything. You deserve better health to sit on the desk for so long, and this mat helps you get there at the size of a normal desk mat, or maybe half of it. Number three, you can charge the mobiles on the mat, 15-watt wirelessly. Got a watch that tells heartbeat? You could put it on too. The power pad also stands up nicely to fit your eye-level viewing of everything, while the anti-slip bottom keeps them from slipping or falling. Easy come, easy get go. No worries for the cable. And number four, only beautiful things stays on the desk. You can have sepia for brighter desktop or noir for deeper mood. With each precise cutting, perfect proportion, and top-notch build quality, a mat, a stand, a power station, and an organizer, COZE mat is your next-gen organization that keeps things in order in simple way and minimal form. Support us now and enjoy the second-to-none experience of desktop life.